Hi, I'm Mark from Rhinohide. Today I'm going to show you how to take the armor lock system off your car. The great thing is there's no drilling or anything on the vehicle. It holds on with a fantastic 3M tape, which is really strong. It can be applied to not just steel vehicles, aluminium or composite vehicles is no problem for us. Once you remove the bases, you never even know it was there. So you need a couple of things. You need a fishing braid here. I've just got a normal 15-pound line or similar would do the job. Cut a little bit of that off. And you simply feed the braid from one side of the armor lock base in a sawing motion. That breaks the foam tape. And then you've got any patches left on the vehicle, simply use your thumb, roll it up, and off it comes. If you've got any residual amounts on here, you can always get a little bit of bug off, or eucalyptus oil works really well, but typically it'll come off straight away, just with a little bit of pressure from your thumb. No holes on your vehicle.